With over 150 years of heritage to call upon, SAR Lubricants has established itself as the partner of choice for high-quality lubricants and greases. SAR's unique combination of science, service and technology is recognized by customers of every size. We're seen as more than just a manufacturer or supplier because we understand the impact we have on your business. We understand the difference our products make to your machinery and your productivity. The difference that quality and reliability makes to your reputation. The difference between being a supplier and being a trusted advisor. The difference that generations of expertise and proven performance make to your peace of mind. For the best in British manufactured lubricants and greases, choose a partner that delivers more. SAR Lubricants. We make the difference.